guys, so welcome back to my channel. You guys voted on Instagram for which video you guys wanted to see up next, and you guys definitely voted to see the DIY setting spray video. So that's what I have here today for you guys. So this is just an example of what your setting spray will look like. I'm gonna make a different one for you guys today, but this is just an example to see what you guys will have by the end of the video. So first up, I'm just going to be listing some products that you're going to need throughout the process. So first, you are going to need some spray bottles. I have a 2-pack. These are 2.6 fluid ounces. I got this from my local dollar store. I'm guessing you guys can find some there at your Dollar Tree, Dollar General, whatever is closest to you. They should have spray bottles. Next, I have some witch hazel. I have the Dickinson's brand. I got this from Walmart, and I think this is probably about like $4.97 or around that area, $4 or $5 or $3, $4 or $5. I'm not really sure, but it's 100% all natural, and it's pore perfecting toner. I'm gonna tell you guys in a few when we start mixing why this is really good to use in a setting spray. Next, you are going to need some aloe vera gel. So I have the Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel. I also got this from Walmart, and I think it was about $3. This contains no alcohol. However, the witch hazel does contain some alcohol, and I'll also tell you why this is good in a few to use in your setting spray. And then the final thing you're gonna need is just some plain old water. I'm using some purified water. I think this is from Sam's Club, I'm not sure, but you guys can use like any kind of water that you want. Next, if you guys are extra and you want to use some pigments and you want them to shine and sparkle like I do, I am going to be using my Revlon Color Charge pigment in the shade Fuchsia, and then I am going to be using this pigment called Golden Glitz. This is from a company that I'm a brand ambassador for, and they sent me this. So I am going to be using this in today's video. This one is going to turn out super cute. You guys are going to see. But yeah, I have some posts about them on my Instagram page, so make sure you go check them out. I will leave my Instagram page, you know, somewhere on the video, but you know, make sure you guys follow me, because from now on I feel like I am going to be posting polls to see which videos I should put up next. So the first step you want to do is get your bottles out the pack. I'm gonna do both of them at the same time, so I'm gonna just open this one up as well as this one. And we're gonna start off with the aloe vera gel. So why you want to use aloe vera gel in your setting spray is because it's very moisturizing, and it's good, and it won't irritate your skin. And you also want to use 100% aloe vera gel, because this is something that is going to be going on your face. I don't really have exact measurements, but I kind of just eyeball. So you want to take the gel and pour it into the bottle. I would say about this much. I'm going to do the same thing to the other bottle. Put a little more in there. So you guys should have something along this nature of amount. Next, you are going to want to take the witch hazel. So witch hazel is a very good thing that you want to use in your setting spray, because it is a natural astringent. And I said that in my head, it sounded better. Which shrinks large pores and tightens the skin. And when you do a setting spray, that's really what you want, or what I want in the setting spray. I want something that is going to like tighten the skin, snatch my face, you know, hold my makeup in place. So it's good for firming and toning, which is exactly what we want in a setting spray. So firming, toning, and then we need moisture. So this is why these two items right here, these are a good pair for setting sprays. And usually if you look on the back of your setting sprays, these two ingredients will be in most of them, along with rose water, but I do not have any rose water at the moment. So I'm gonna put the witch hazel in. I'm gonna show you guys the amount. I'm trying not to spill it. So I put about this much in. I don't know if you guys see it because everything's like clear. But I put about that much in. Next, I am going to be using this water, and I am going to kind of dilute the things that I just put in there. And water is also just a good base for products, especially skincare products. And you want to be careful, depending on what size bottle you use, not to fill them up too much, especially if you're going to add a pigment, because you're going to need to leave room to shake this up, because you need to mix everything together, especially the aloe vera gel. So I'm gonna put the tops on, and we can just shake these together. If you guys are content without having any pigment and you just wanted a setting spray, you can stop the video here. But if you guys are extra like me, then it's time for the pigments. So we're just gonna open the pigments up, and we just want to make sure that everything is all mixed together. I'll probably put a little more water in there. You're just looking for the right consistency. You guys can see it's a little sticky due to the gel, so I'll add some more water. So about that much. So I'm gonna use this pigment first. Just gonna open it up so you guys can see. This is just a sample size, but she has larger sizes on her website and on her Instagram. I'll probably put her Instagram in this video somewhere in one of the corners. But I'm just gonna take the back of my brush, and don't put too much pigment in because it will clog the little sprayer, so be careful. I'm gonna put about that much in, because a little definitely goes a long way, especially with this pigment. While I'm talking about this, I'm gonna swatch this pigment for you guys. I will definitely say this is like a dupe for the Trophy Wife, the Fenty Trophy Wife. So if you don't want to spend your coins like that, definitely go over to her website and look at her pigments, because this one is super duper close to Trophy Wife. So I put the pigment in there. It looks like this. So what you want to do is hurry up and mix it up, because you definitely don't want this to the pigment to start clumping, because you're putting like something dry into a liquid. And this is what this one is looking like. So as I told you guys, a little goes a long way. I'm gonna shake it up a little more just to make sure it's all good. And this is what she looks like. And then I'm gonna show you what she looks like compared to the orangey one. So these are the first two, and the last one is going to be pink. So we're going to be using the Revlon Color Charge pigment for this one, and I'm just gonna open it up, and same technique. I'm gonna take the back of my brush, and a little goes a long way, so remember that. So about that much is in there. I feel like I might add more. That might be too little, but we're gonna just shake it up and see first. No, I think that's good. And so this is what this one is looking like. So these are our 3 setting sprays. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys try this and if it works for you, and let me know what other colors that you guys make, or if you decide to add something extra. This is just the recipe that I use. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys since this is what you requested. So that's the end of my video. I love you guys, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.